Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to import an Illustrator file into Premiere. Let's begin! Let's start. Double-click Import Media to start. In the Import dialog, select Illustrator Data and click the Open button. The Illustrator file has been added to the project panel. Drag and drop the added Illustrator file to the timeline panel. Then it will be displayed like this. I tried adding text to the layer below the Illustrator data. Since the background of Illustrator data is transparent, the text is displayed. Let's actually check that the background of the Illustrator data is transparent. Click the wrench-like mark in the lower right-hand corner of the program monitor. Only the Illustrator data and the text are displayed in white. On this screen, in addition to the white part, the rest is displayed as transparent. You have completed the steps to import Illustrator files. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.